Welcome back to another Delpat family video.
Yep. Welcome back. So today we'll be bringing you something a little left field, a little bit different from what we usually bring to you.
Yes.
But we were made aware of this farm and we were excited to show you guys the possibilities, because you know we always want to uplift our community, to show the positive side of Jamaica.
Yes.
You know, so with this video we hope we can achieve that.
When we saw it, we're like, yo,
Crazy.
this is crazy. We really have to do an interview with him. All right, so his name is Ricardo Chambers. Ricardo, we have in our backyard, we have a very small backyard, right? But we want to do farming. I don't have a green thumb in the world. My mother can farm though, because you know, fear father farmer. But me now, I don't know what to do. And the ground tough.
So we try, we bring in manure, we dig it up, we do everything, and the thing
our,
just don't grow.
Yes.
So when I saw the system that you have, I'm like, wow.
Yes.
You know, the thing is with this system, you don't even need dirt. You can do it on a, you can do it on a pier, you can do it on pavement, you can do it on your rooftop, you can do this anywhere. So Ricardo, tell us where we are right now.
Well, we're in Swabizwap, Manchester, Spur Tree, Manchester.
Manchester.
That's just outside of Mandeville. Right before you start go down the Spur Tree, Long Hill there.
Yeah.
If I come from Mandeville, right at the gas station,
Yes.
turn left.
And how persons can reach out to you?
They can find us on our website at chambershydrofarm.com. You will find a lot more information about us there, and you could actually do purchase from our website. You would, we have an e-commerce platform there as well. You could make purchase. You could book your tours from there. Can we do tours? Because we want to spread the knowledge, so we do tours as well. So you can do anything on our website. We basically is trying to make agriculture fully digital.
So Ricardo, what is hydrofarming and how does it work?
Alright, hydroponic farming is basically growing of crop without the use of soil. So basically no dirt.
No dirt.
Yes, so the way it works is that you pump fertilizer water to the plants in PVC pipes and recycle the water.
Okay.
And you reuse that water over and over. And we use the fertilizer over and over. So yes. So with hydroponics farming, massive advantage.
Yeah.
You don't need no dirt to farm no more. All you need is just a space.
Yeah.
That space could be on a rooftop, the front of your yard, the back of your yard. As you can see, it's the side of the yard.
Yeah.
You actually run a big commercial venture on the side of the yard. You understand?
Yes.
So hydroponics have many benefits. No weeding, no digging, no plowing, no mowing.
Amazing.
It's basically farming automation. Yes.
So like you mentioned, so we get rid of the soil. All right. Great, because we're not on soil. But what about water? Do you save on water?
Yeah, massive. You actually use 90% less water
than
traditional.
You use so even though you grow them in water, you use less water than watering plants in the soil.
Alright, because so when you water the plants in the soil, most of it actually gone in the soil. But in hydroponics, you recycle the water, so the water never goes nowhere. So only the water that the plant drink, that's the only water that we lose.
What about the cost to buy the nutrients that the plants need?
Oh, the nutrients is actually cheap enough, because what I've done is I build and supply the farms, I supply the nutrients as well. Premix, they just add it to the water, they don't need to do nothing.
Oh, so the nutrients are
premix, and I supply the seedlings as well, a wide variety of seedlings. Because what I'm trying to do is make farming automated. Where, remember you were saying that you don't have a green thumb?
Yeah.
It's like more like copy and paste.
Yes, okay.
Yes,
so, like that, but copy and paste it up.
Copy and paste. You know, everybody can have the green thumb, because the systems, it just basically come fully assembled and everything. You just basically start growing.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's like your fast track to success.
Yes.
Sometimes, as I said, green thumb, not everybody have the luck with planting in the ground, but with this system, you're guaranteed success basically.
Well, nothing in life is guaranteed, but the chance of success is way much higher.
Yes.
Yeah, I have people that giving feedback from the system what they bought and the way how the feedback come, it almost seem like I give them a life. Understand, like a child or a life or something.
Yes,
that's the how they express it to me. In not the exact words, but that's how they express it to me. You understand? They love farming, they love the local backyard gardening thing. But this hydroponic farming garden kit make it way much easier for them and simple for them.
So you mentioned the garden kit.
Yes.
So you actually create this kit to sell.
Yes.
So separate from him having his farm where he grows his crop, so you have I see lettuce. What else? What else you have?
This is a research center, so we have a whole bunch of different things in there. We have pepper, lettuce, cabbage, patroen, strawberry, parsley, and we plant a wide different things in here. So if I come back next week or next time, it's a whole total different thing I see.
Right. So separate from you doing your farming, you actually supply the system in a smaller, more portable fashion where persons can carry it home and put it on their veranda, in their backyard and their carport
on their roof.
Yeah, to actually to grow their own crops at home. Eh?
Yeah, man. Cause what I have done, you know, is to my mission is to revolutionize agriculture.
Yes,
and we want Jamaica to grow their own food.
I like that.
So what we have done now is we focus on research and the information we find. We create product, services, and programs.
Wow.
So the whole main thing behind it is for us to grow our own food.
But you're so real educated, Mr.
True,
Ricardo.
true.
What is your background?
Check and feel.
That's
so let's get more specific. So you did track and field in high school?
No, I did. I actually run for Jamaica and I'm an Olympian athlete, you know.
Yeah, Ricardo Chambers.
Yeah, man. I run for Jamaica Olympian and I run many different world games and all kind of things. Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yo.
You know, maybe you 400 meter.
400
meter, man. Remember, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
For them 4x4 there, we used to win the little bronze and little silver them in the 4x4 them, you know. You know, so we're gonna put up a little thing on the screen.
Man.
Yeah,
What?
So how you got from being an Olympian on the world stage to doing this here? What drove you?
Alright, the whole mission behind this is to build Jamaica. So I want to help Jamaica. I want to build Jamaica. And I think that the two best possibilities for Jamaica to come out of poverty and to be develop a better economy is through agriculture and a logistic hub. And agriculture is the best opportunity because first thing, if you can't feed yourself, half of your problem themselves.
True that. True that too, you know.
If you imagine, all right, say if you look at other states that's I would consider failing, like say Haiti or Sri Lanka or any other state that's going through the challenges.
Sorry.
Understand? Not say failing, but they're going through the challenges. If everybody in Sri Lanka right now have food in them belly, the whole situation will be different. You know? Way different, you know.
If they can provide food for their children without worrying.
If me know it's in the belly full tomorrow and full today and full the next day,
yes.
The whole situation will be
The
different.
reassurance will be there.
Agriculture in Jamaica, I think that have the best opportunity for me, you, the ordinary man, and everybody else to come out of poverty.
Quick question. How did you learn about this?
Me, you know, we just dive in at the pool and learn along the way. And that's
you just saw the idea and like it?
Alright. When I was in university, I went back to university. And I finished up my studying.
In Jamaica?
No, at Florida State.
In what? Okay. What did you study?
I was studying social science. But that wasn't my interest. Business was my interest. And I was taking some public policy classes and things. But I always go back to my community in Chilani and I always try to tell them to do different type of farming, different method. So I just start research farming and I say, alright then. I got Jamaica help them through the farming. So I start research, what are the challenges that we have? And then I say, okay, then these are some of the challenges that we have. Then I start looking at other countries and say,
because we talk about what? Irrigation,
water,
and steady water.
Water,
that's a big
and
problem,
knowledge,
irrigation.
technical knowledge.
And that's
also-
another thing. Technical knowledge is wholly lacking.
I think the technical knowledge is probably the biggest barrier.
Yeah, and the tilling on the side, because if we have a large vast land, we will need tractor to plow that. We're gonna need
Manpower.
irrigation, which is expensive, and we're gonna need manpower as well, as Kia said, to do it all. But if you do it in this way, manpower cut down, the cost for machinery significantly reduced, the area that you would require to grow the crops significantly less, all of that.
Everything else in when I do this kind of way. Yeah, man, because me just basically, alright then. When I start looking at other countries that have a similar problem like Jamaica, I look upon like Israel, and those are countries that have water challenges and them something there. And the more I research, the more hydroponic popped up.
Okay.
And then I start looking into it and say, but this is very interesting, man. Based on what I'm researching. So me just curious and I just say, alright then. I start do some more research, dive into it, set up 10 pipe in the back of my yard and start growing. When you grow, I said, this is amazing to grow lettuce and basil. And towards how fast they grow, I said, this is
grow
amazing.
faster than if you do it in the ground. And remember, as he said, he's from Trelawney, so a countryman. He used to farming. And things. So when you try the hydroponics method, it grow faster than
Boss.
wow.
And when I say go so fast, I say, alright then, Jamaica need this and Jamaica have to get this. So I just start make a phone call to my brother and say, yo, now come to Jamaica, I can start a business. And wait. Majority of the time when I plan, it go as planned. You understand? So I just basically dive in and figure out along as I climb. I figure
Problem
out
solving, like where you got the drone down.
Yeah, man. So every time I look up on a hurdle, I just alright then there's a hurdle. There's a challenge.
You talk about hurdle, eh?
I think it's not. With me, I encourage people to put their kids in sports.
Yeah.
Now that I'm a big man, I understand.
Yeah, importance of sports. Because I teach you perseverance.
Everything I'm doing now is from sports.
Yes.
Everything.
Yes.
First thing, we win and we lose. So we know how to win, how to lose.
But even before you reach the winning and losing part, talk about the preparation
for winning.
The hours a morning get up before sunrise. Up in the morning.
So you know what's required to achieve success.
Yes.
You understand? You learn about patience, and most important, you learn to work with other people.
Yeah.
You understand?
Teamwork.
And then all of them skill set that you build up through sports.
Right.
That's what me actually losing in life.
Yeah.
In business, you learn how to work with people.
Yeah.
In entrepreneurship, you learn how to keep going. I want to get knocked down. I want to everything. You understand? When you lose on a race, and you say, and then the idea that you're going back on another one next day, so you keep going same way.
Yeah.
So we encourage people to put them in the sports.
Yeah.
No school, no way can teach you, no sports teacher. We can guarantee that. We go through school, high school, college, university, all of them.
Yes.
And
All of
sports was one of the biggest teachers for you.
Sports was most of the skills I garnered right now that I use to invest in myself came from sports.
Yes.
Came from sports.
So I see over here we have lettuce, we have kale, we have parsley right here. So basically this is like a lot of land. this lot. Come like is a lot size, at the size where that be the house pan, right?
Yeah. Alright, so in the ground, how you space it out in the ground normally? Like how many inches away from each other you space it out in the ground?
Alright, in the ground.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how they space it out because I'm not planting in the ground. Understand? But in the farm, the hydroponic farm, just so the year one farmer come check me and them plant enough things. And when they come to my farm and say, bro, this took about 10 acres one.
Wow.
It's not, I don't know how much acres in comparison
because
to outdoors.
if you're going to put this down flat and spread it out.
Oh, that
Yes,
is true.
Yeah.
Then put it down flat.
Right. We grow way more crop in this farm because we're growing vertically.
Yes.
You understand? And basically this sky is basically
The limit.
Yeah.
Another question.
So we could have added on 3 or 4 more row if we did tall. Because when I build the farm, I say, alright, then I don't want to stand up on nothing. So I put up my hand and say, anyway, I can reach that tall it go.
Yeah.
So as I can see, anyway, I can reach.
Yeah, that height. That
yeah,
height.
man. So if I did willing to say I want to step up on a
You
little
could have
chair or a
built it.
ladder,
You can put
go
it higher.
up more. And if you go on the level, And then certainly they could use even machines where you can go tall up more and thing. But
definitely.
with hydroponic farming, it's a no-brainer. The advantage is so massive.
So Ricardo, I want to ask you, just tell us what the system comprises of and what does it take for you to run your farm, to get the crops looking this beautiful as they are looking right now. I want you to tell us.
Alright then, if you run this a farm, it's very, very easy to operate this a farm. You kind of labor done upon this a farm. You plant it, you harvest it.
Wow.
Alright.
You got your little seedlings. We did well prepared to, we did try, we did try. We even get to look at something like this.
Yeah.
We get with soil, we get everything. We plant with callaloo, we plant basil. The basil, they come good. And the callaloo, the computer come in where you continuously grow, so they reap from that. But nothing else would have never grow.
Yeah man, that's always the technical knowledge.
Technical,
the biggest gap in Jamaica, you understand?
Yes.
So that's why we focus on the research and we share the knowledge with the young Jamaican people them especially. So they can do what we are doing.
Yes.
And we can guide them. Because importantly, if I'm trying to revolutionize agriculture, I can't do it myself. So it's gonna be all of us. You understand? And talking about can't do it myself. Jamaica a food country. You understand? And Jamaica having its challenges. So does every other country right now having all the kind of challenges. But when we want to send out to all Jamaicans, every Jamaicans, and even people who are interested in Jamaica, whether they're abroad, anywhere in the world, make we build Jamaica. Make Jamaica win. Most of the food that we consume in Jamaica come off of a ship from a different country. What if for whatever reason them country or them farmers or whoever say for your food now come to Jamaica again? What next?
We left stranded,
What next?
to suffer. Yeah.
Grow your own food Jamaica. You get me? But me show you how we plant them. These are some Swiss chard.
Swiss what?
Swiss chard.
What are those used for?
Some people call them like I said, they come like a color, we just steam them. These are Swiss chard. And we have all different kind of seedling. And to plant hydroponically is so easy. I make you plant one, and me plant one.
So this is dirt?
No, this is potting style.
Potting style?
Yeah,
Like the seedling, like when you buy the seedling from the farm store?
Same way. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. So, if you plant it,
Just that.
that's it. You plant.
Just that.
Just put it down and water and you plant.
Can I plant one?
Yeah, man. See, you can plant this anyway.
I'm planting.
Because it already supplied, with the
I'm
nutrients.
planting. So you just put it down in it like that?
That's it, exactly. You just plant and crop.
So you now have to bury in the water.
No, as you see.
And that's what I was about to ask
No,
you,
as long as it touching the water.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
As long as the root touching the water.
Yes.
I want to look
So you
at
don't
tip
need
of
like
water.
a ton load of
No,
water.
I want to look at tip strip of water.
Wow.
So as long as it touch the water, you good.
Yeah.
I just
So what happened? The water is flowing through this thing?
yeah, man. I'll show you
What
the part.
happened?
I'll show you the part.
What plants? This is what? Mint?
No, these are strawberries.
Ooh, I like.
Yeah, man. These are
This is
strawberries.
Kyrie's favorite fruit.
I look at strawberry depending, but we're not really interested in the strawberry then.
Okay.
Right now. We try to populate back our production. So this now would be like a new strawberry plant. We call
Ooh,
it,
that's right
we
there,
call it
sir.
runners, yeah. And one strawberry plant can give one for them because one plant, I
Okay.
just cut off runners them off for them last week. And see them and we have more runners that come up soon. So if you have 1 acre strawberry, in no time you can have 10.
Wow.
You understand? It's almost like pineapple or sweet potato produces own plant.
Hey, a pretty pop chow there behind it down there, so.
Yes.
On that man.
You want them we took out last week.
Yeah, skeleton, yeah?
Scallion?
It's the beauty about hydroponics, you know. Everything we plant in here grow. Because this is a research farm. This is to do research and development. So we don't start building a farm for ourselves. You understand? We just start building farm now for other people. Other Jamaicans and other people. You understand? So now we venture into building a system and supplying Jamaicans and everybody else in the Caribbean or wherever else in the world the system.
Yeah.
You understand? So now we can say we're manufacturing farm where any man can just become a farmer
Ready-made
instantly.
farm.
Yes. Understand? And you don't have
Sign
to own
me
a
up.
tractor.
Even at the inner city, at the garrison, you know, I just concrete.
No, alright,
you
look
know,
here.
up on your building top.
We supply farms, you know.
Mm-hmm.
To we supply farms in the inner cities.
Yes.
As I said just now,
Yes.
with people have it on the rooftop in the inner cities. We supply farms with people have them uptown.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
So basically, this can be
Anywhere.
you understand? Anywhere, and it's just so simple and easy. Alright,
Stop by Patroen.
then
These are what you call them again?
them are
kale?
no, these are lettuce.
Lettuce.
And this one is mixed lettuce.
Mixed lettuce.
Mix.
Mix.
Yeah, we
okay.
just mix up two different flavor lettuce, color lettuce, and we
Okay.
just call it mixed lettuce.
Okay.
Yeah. This is one of the benefits of hydroponics. You can take out the root, you can easily diagnose the plant.
Okay.
If the roots are white,
Disease.
yeah,
Yes.
the plant healthy. You understand?
Oh, when the roots are white, the plant is
plants are
healthy.
Yeah, man.
But when the inner the soil, you can't really see the root them so easily.
Ah.
Yes.
So that's one of the advantage
Yes.
of the hydroponics. You understand? So not only that, if this was a outdoor in the ground, if you take out a mature plant, it's a shock or possibly die.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you know, we can put him back here, so nothing to do him.
Wow.
And we can even move him and carry him go somewhere
Wow.
else.
Wow.
We can move him and carry him go here, so.
Wanna
come
catch
in,
that,
come
man.
in.
And that big
Yeah,
one there
man.
up there, so
Yeah,
one
one
lettuce that? Cabbage?
But in a fall yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Them we do research to demonstrate. So we don't really grow them to grow them see it, just to show you so it can work. You understand? So these are celeries.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
These are celeries.
Them kind of young, them not come so fat yet.
Them are young.
Yeah.
So these are celeries. What else we have in the farm? We have parsley.
Yes.
And then parsley I get old, you see? We just cut them off, always cut them off and then grow.
Okay.
One of my favorite plants to grow.
Yeah. The
understand?
Patroen, pretty Patroen, man, look there.
These are the
Look at one.
on Patroen.
Man,
Nice.
beautiful, eh?
We have all kind of different things. This is basil.
Basil. Beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Make some nice tea and season up your pot.
Season up your pot. And so we have a nice sexy red. You know?
Yes, I do like this. It's folding. Look how big too.
Yeah, man.
Are you seeing how big this is? Look.
Huge.
So it's this.
So think about this now. You could have this in your yard, you know. And you grow all of your food. Because you see that you can grow one up of different things. So if you have one look at small units them that we supply, imagine one row of your cabbage, one row of your lettuce, one row of your Patroen, one row of whatever you eat, one row of whatever you eat, and one row of whatever your other person eat, and one row of whatever your other family member
So
eat.
what about
or
bigger plants like tomato?
Yeah, we grow
And
tomato
sweet pepper.
and we grow sweet pepper in there. But for commercial purpose, we don't recommend you growing it this type of way in a this size pipe.
You want a bigger one?
A bigger size pipe perhaps could help, but not in a vertical system like this. Understand?
You know what to do it to equate.
Would I recommend just growing it horizontally and chalice them up? Understand?
So you put
But
them on top of each other and stack them up? What do you mean?
no, would I grow them like I say, just this row alone. And instead of all of these row, just this row alone, and then use a string and make it grow chalice upon the string.
Okay.
So something similar like that they would have.
Alright, so carry the show where you say that show way.
Yeah, man. Alright. These are
Boy, them in
scallion.
them again.
Scallion. Pretty, eh? And fat.
Yeah, man.
Oh God, them big man.
Them are not too big, man. Them are small scallion. I know.
Wow.
We have
And it's so stiff. That show you say the water, it have a plenty water
content.
in
Yeah,
it.
look at it. Remember, you know.
Feel it.
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
Stiff, man.
Yeah.
Alright, remember, you know. Alright. The plants is inside of the pipes.
Yes.
And it's getting water and fertilizer right through. The water in the plants in the pipe, and the plants are getting water and nutrient right through. So if you give your crop out a door or traditionally planted crops, even if you're using drip irrigation, you get water 5 times for the day, which most farmers not do that day. Unless the water source free or really cheap.
Yeah.
You understand? This year I get it right through the day. So the plant now determine how much you
water
want to
you
drink
want eat.
and how much you want to eat.
Same drown. Because our other concern about it drowning.
You know, it's not gonna drown because the
roots rot.
water are move, so the water is being the bubble is oxygenating the water.
Okay.
Understand? So you know get root rot.
Root rot. Okay.
Understand?
So that's another concern that persons might have.
Yeah, root rot.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, as you can see, we have a different plant in there and them alive.
Yeah, surviving.
You understand? So, and then again, the plant actually not on the ground. So it now compete against the weeds them and the grass them for no kind of resources.
Oh, okay.
In the ground, so it's basically now deal with the soil-borne diseases. So all them stress they avoid.
Yeah.
Plus, it basically get them baby fed. You know, in a sense of way.
Yeah.
So you can imagine if in a nice AC, nothing for buy, and then you just have food in front of your girl. Or
Yes.
I can imagine that.
Oh my God. You're fat. And that's exactly what happened.
Yes.
You understand? It's just, alright, we have farmers come from St. Elizabeth, come on tour, and when them see the scale and them, the size, and when them come see it, not these size, but bigger size than these, like your man say, I must be below them a scale.
Yeah, it feel like a balloon. It feel like a balloon, man. Oh
Yeah, I
God.
say it bigger and fat and thing.
Yeah.
Man. But everything can go hydroponically, and would recommend everybody to start the hydroponic farming.
Yes.
As soon as possible. Yeah, man. So we have some other cabbage here. Which are, if purple one grow, the green one can grow.
Oh, so this gonna fall up after.
Yeah, man. Then I see a cabbage, you know, that, you know, just different color cabbage.
No.
Just different cabbage.
Yeah.
One thing we know put in the system at time. The time not like this so much water, so you don't perform so well.
Okay.
So that's
a part of the research.
Yeah, man. The research farm, you know.
Yes.
A customer bought a farm from me and he asked me about okra. You never put okra in it before, so I said, alright then, okay.
Yeah, just try it.
Okra come.
Oh God.
You understand?
So how long have you planted that okra?
How long ago? I don't remember the exact date when we planted this okra. I don't remember the exact date. But it's not too long ago though.
Yeah.
It's not too long ago I planted okra.
Another thing too, so what I know a little bit about farming, what I know is that sometimes some plants have a specific requirement. Like suppose some plants love potassium or love, something else, magnesium or whatever. So if you're doing like a specific type of plant, you can really cater to its specific needs in nutrition. This way.
Yeah, man.
It's kind of like, how them usually do organic farming, or them do rotation crops, where them plant this right here, so now can them know so it will leave certain nutrients in the soil, so you can put another plant in it next season and then it flourishes more, and like that. It's something similar.
Yeah, man, but with this you get way more advantage than that, because you kind of like you give yourself on blank leaf. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You could control every single aspect of the plant. You know what I'm saying? You understand? The nutrition you can adjust the nutrition to control the taste, texture, all kind of different things.
Yeah, the person.
I could go in the room.
Yeah, nice, eh?
Me like how right here say look. I would love my backyard to have a little look like this.
Yeah,
you know, so you have to farm for somebody in a Kingston, and they have 3 nice size rows. And I sit on them thing, they look nice. And you then come out and I pick onion, I pick lettuce, I pick basil, all different things.
That would be so nice.
Yeah, man. So what I was gonna ask, person say, hey, this is Jamaican grown because of the soil and all of that, the benefit of the Jamaican soil. When you grow in this system, you don't have that benefit. So how would your crops compare to those crops?
We really don't need the soil to grow crops, you know. Crops are going to need 3 things to grow. Sunlight, nutrition, and water.
Okay.
So the soil don't not necessarily needed. You understand? So some soil have nutrition in it. We can just give the plant the nutrition.
Yeah.
Like we do now. So if I'm more potassium, we can give more potassium. If I'm more calcium, we can give more calcium.
Yeah.
So the benefit now at that now is it's actually better in yourself than the soil.
Yeah.
In actuality.
And that's the next thing too. Sometimes when you think about farming, you think about the old man with the high boots, with the last thing I'm on, I walk come with the hot pan head tired and poor. So you're changing the look of farming and the narrative around farming so that young people can look at it and say, hey, this is something that I can do.
Yeah, because I'm a hot boy, I'm at the farming.
And
the young lady, it's a young lady who manage the farm. Everybody who the with team, a hot boy and hot girl. You understand? So we are young, we are hot, we're sexy, and we are the farming. Basically. So anybody
like
can
that.
do it.
Like that.
You understand?
Like that.
Yes.
You understand? So I don't know old
it.
man thing again, old woman thing again in our country.
Alright. We build farms for teachers. We build farms for doctors. You understand? We build farms for policemen. Believe it or not, a lot of people is actually heading into farming and leaving
I would want to do farming
they can
as
check
well.
me. I do everything possible for help them because the empowerment I deal with, you know.
No.
And then you see the thing about it too, the part where you said if you can feed yourself, then you've relieved the half of your stress. You know how much for sweet pepper?
You know.
And when you go to the market and you go with money, I mean, you will still buy, but if you can have food growing in your yard, it really would help with your quality of life. And then what is nicer than the thought in my mind to have all my herbs for cooking readily at my disposal at all time, and I don't have to go to the store. I've been toying with the idea, and of course my green thumb is not working with the idea. Everything dead.
Ready? Yeah. Look, you plant it, you basically push it down in one of the hole them like that. Just push it in this one and this one. One at a time,
Got that right?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Plant it.
Just like that, eh?
So easy if you plant hydroponically.
Yeah.
You can plant thousands for the day. Alright, the way how the system works, basically this is our holding tank and we pump the water to the drum, the 1,000 gallon drum up there. So.
Okay.
And it flow through all them pipe here and the plant uptake the water and the fertilizer. And whatever the plant don't drink, all that connected and come back down here. So.
Okay.
Come back to the little pipe here, so but the system turn off now, so it's a jip.
Okay. And then what happened from here?
From here, so we pump it back up here so and reuse it again.
Wow.
So just reuse it over and over and over and over and over until the plant. And that's why we use less water.
And that's why you kind of have the slope coming this way.
Yeah, man, so gravity
So
can move
benefit
it. Because gravity is the cheapest. Matter of fact, it's free. Gravity is free to move water, you understand?
Yes. Nice.
You get the metal frame as well. And you could easily assemble it or deassemble it so you can bring it inside of a car easily.
Okay.
This you could have grow food for your veranda, you can grow food for your patio, you can grow food anywhere. You can have the strawberries, you can grow your lettuce up here, so you can grow your patroen here, so you can grow your beers here, so you can grow your scallion here, so you can grow your onion there, so you can grow whatever else you eat anywhere upon it.
And you are selling these systems?
Yeah, man,
too?
we're selling this system, man. You can contact us 305-2131. You can reach out to us on all our social media platform and Instagram and TikTok. And you can purchase this system directly from our website, chambershydrofarm.com. And this system are very affordable. It's only $39.99 and we deliver nationwide. It's $10,000 to deliver them anywhere in Jamaica. So it's very, very affordable. This system, you can buy it for your grandma who love to do a little farming, but you're trying to make sure it works so hard. You can buy it for yourself. You can buy it as a gift to empower somebody. Instead of you buy them the food, when you eat it, you buy them the system where you know so them have food forever. If you live abroad and want to empower somebody at Jamaica, log on to chambershydrofarm.com or reach out to us through our social media platform, TikTok and Instagram, or call us or contact us and empower somebody in Jamaica with this. You understand? If you
Sounds good.
instead of you sending money all the time to talk about buy food, buy food, buy food, buy food, you give them the farm. It's very easy to use. You never have to send the work of money there. To buy food again.
Amazing. Very inspiring, Ricardo.
Yes,
and
definitely.
we are so happy that we took the time out to come to see this in person.
Yes.
Right? We are very much inspired, and I mean this system is very. It's so simple, right? To manage any child, any age, manage it, you know.
Even if you install, let me show you if you install it. We get it pre-manufactured, so basically you get it like this.
Yeah.
Basically put it back together to install it. So when you get it, you get these pieces just like this, and you get the pipes and the frame deassemble. But if you install it, you just put the frame together, put these on it. Basically, everything is basically we're making farming microwavable.
Yeah.
That's what my brother tell me.
Yeah, making it microwavable.
Chambers again, farming microwavable, boy.
Hey, guess what? Person my son look at the price and say 39,000 that's a whole of money.
No.
But these pipe, them fittings they are expensive, you know. And you analyze the plastic barrel, everything.
No.
The metal work, it all come at a cost. So just look at it as, you know, it's an investment.
Yeah.
You know, investing in the future, you know?
No, the easiest way if you look upon it too, you know, you can look upon it and say $39,000. If I go to the supermarket or the market with $39,000, how much time I can go? If I have this farm, they said these now mashed down for no time now.
Right.
It's the same grill I use, I make grill a yard, and same pipe that run water come in a yard. And this German very sturdy now mashed down for no time soon. So that $39,000 you spend just a while ago, and you have vegetables for the rest of how much years.
Nice.
Compared to $39,000 got the market 3 times or 1 time maybe. Understand?
Yeah.
So we no longer have to invest in a asset, in a liability.
Right.
We must start think different now. Our mindset must change.
Investment.
We want empowerment and invest. You understand?
True.
So you invest in a thing that can benefit you and benefit your family and your country.
Yeah.
You understand? You know, just go look upon it and say $39,000. $39,000 are cheap to the amount of time you got the market.
It was such a great evening here at Chambers HydroFarm. We learned so much and we're so inspired, and yet again we're seeing great movement, great strides being made by Jamaicans in Jamaica. Yeah, you know have a lag on this, right?
We had to take the time to come out. You know, it was a pleasure meeting you in person, right? Because we've seen the work, we've seen the work, but we had to come to look in person. And I mean, I hope you guys are inspired. I hope you contact Ricardo and buy 1 or 2 of these systems and put it on your veranda, put it on your roof, and get on the farming trade. Food is the staff of life, and food is becoming such an expensive commodity. You can't live without food, but food becoming so like the price is beyond us right now.
Wonder how we are going to be able to feed ourselves in a little while. But guys, remember to subscribe to the Delprat family if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell, put the setting on all. Give us a thumbs up for this video and share our content. Yeah man, and give Ricardo a follow and Chambers HydroFarm Instagram, alright, and TikTok as well. Yeah man, check it out.